Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today I just received my Eufy, this one with the Wi-Fi door lock. This is with the fingerprint identification technology, but right now they added the Wi-Fi to it. So I was able to pre-order it and then I got it today. So pretty excited to unbox and show you guys what is included inside. I believe it's basically it's just like the previous version. Right now they just added the Wi-Fi to it, so everyone was expecting for this one. So let's get into it. Okay, so looks like the box is pretty nice, and I'm gonna open it up right now and see what's inside. So there's no damage or anything from outside, and they use this as a Ziploc bag to protect a little bit. Okay, let's take out the box right now and see what's inside. Alright, so here's the packaging. Looks pretty cool. Okay. So once you open it, you see the lock inside, outside. And it does show you the steps if you take a closer look right here. The step 3 and step 5. So later on I'm gonna install it and see how it goes. I just wanna show you what's included in the box. So let's see the second layer. So the lock looks like very sturdy and pretty heavy, and the material feels pretty good, and I like the glass looking material. Feels like maybe doable. Okay, so inside here we have 2 more boxes. So there's step 1, step 2, step 3. It shows you all the steps, so it should be pretty easy to install. And here's I believe it's the manual. I show you instruction, and the Wi-Fi, the bridge right here. So that's about it for now, and I'm gonna show you another video about how to install this lock, and give you guys some comments after I install it. Thank you so much for watching. You guys be safe. Everyone be safe.